Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. Because this equation equals to number 0, we just find only complementary solution in here. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first derivative of e to the power of lambda s, we keep about this one. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda in here. We do second derivative, we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now we put this one go in here. So yc, we put this one go in here. First derivative, we put this one go in here. And second derivative, we put this one go in here. So this one we can do about factorization in here. Now we put this one equal to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of lambda. So we have two solutions in here. We have 3 over 2 and 3 over 2. So we have same solutions. So we have y equals to c number 1. That's about the constant number 1. And we have e to the power of lambda s. So we change lambda into 3 over 2 with s. Because we have same solutions. So we have c number 2 and we multiply by s, e to the power of 3 over 2 s. Now we have the conditions. Now if we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here, we will have about c1. Because this one you got about 0, that's why everything equals to number 0. And this one e to the power of 0 you got about number 1. So y0 you got about 1 in here. So we have c1 equal to number 1. Now we need to find first the derivative of this one. First derivative of e to the power of 3 over 2s. We have 3 over 2, c number 1, e to the power of 3 over 2s. Now we do first derivative of this one. We know that first derivative of s you got about number 1. So we have c2 e to the power of 3 over 2s. Next, we do first derivative of this one. We have 3 over 2 c number 2 s e to the power of 3 over 2 s. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So we put number 0 go in here, here and here. So we know that this one you got about 1, this one you got about 1, this one you got about 0 because we have s. So we have 3 over 2 c number 1 plus c number 2. So this one we know that this is about number 2. So we put number 2 cone here. And now we need to find C number 2. We know that C number 1, that's about 1. And we put this one go to the left. And we got the final answer. That is about 1 over 2. After we find C number 1 and C number 2, we can put about particular solution of this one in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.